Alrighty, in today's video, we're going to be exploring the LETS formula that recently came out with Notion Formulas 2.0. And as you can see on the screen, the LETS function allows you to assign values to multiple variables and evaluates the expression using those variables. And so basically what that means is you can create a formula to assign a variable, and all you have to do is reference that variable, and so you don't have to copy and paste the same thing over and over and over again. We're going to be creating custom date statuses using the LETS formula, and so let's get started. I have a date property. We'll start by adding LETS, and I saw someone else do this on YouTube. In our case, we'll just call this date. And within the LETS formula, we need to separate everything by commas because that's going to be the way that this formula says, oh, okay, so you've defined this, and so now we're going to go do this. In our case, we want to sort of use this date property to create a custom output. And so we're going to do just that. And we're going to do that by measuring the date between, which is just another formula that allows you to compare two dates and then tell you within an incremented time stamp, like in days, weeks, months, hours, to get started. We're going to reference date, comma, to separate the other date, and we're going to be referencing now again. Went over this in previous videos. It just creates a timestamp for the immediate presence. We have to increment it by days. Well, this can be weeks or months, whatever you want.